So I thought I'd record a little progress update for my ongoing goofy project to create an overcomplicated electronic catan board. So at the start of the project, each tile in Catan will be represented using an Arduino. Here we have an Arduino on a breadboard. It is hooked up to this 14 segment display using some shift registers so that I can conserve pins on the microcontroller. It is a common anode display, and I'm controlling the digits independently by flashing it on and off very quickly. This component is an array of neopixels. This will be used to represent the land type and the presence of roads and settlements. So it's got 6 roads for all the edges, and then each settlement is represented by 2 lights, so you can have a settlement or a city. Each tile will only have 3 settlements on the top vertices, because the rest can be represented by its neighboring tiles. The roads are on all 6 sides because I figured I'd use the roads to also represent ports on the coast. So coastal roads will always be on a land tile. And then down here we have another, this time it's parallel in serial out shift registers for buttons. This lets you control, so this is a road. It can go on and off. That's a settlement. Got another road and another settlement, and so on. This light at the end is the land. It just, right now it's selected random at startup. I think it's stone right now. Can't really remember what colors I've chosen. As you can see right now, the red player is currently selected. If we want to do player selection, you can hold down the land button and then select your player. So now yellow is selected, or green, and now if I turn something on, it'll be green. And it does remember selection, so now I can also add purple. The other thing currently implemented is the roll counter. Right now it's just random at the start. If I hit the land button, it'll change it to be the robber. In parallel, I'm working on this monstrosity, which is each Arduino is connected by software serial. Right now they can communicate with their neighbors. I'm currently working on being able to communicate across the network, because each of these tiles will sit on top of a network node, and we'll be able to communicate with all the other tiles. I'll post more progress as it comes.